Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to make candied yams. So stick around for the recipe. You definitely don't want to miss out on this.
From the top, let's go!
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell when you do subscribe and set all notifications to be notified of my uploads. And I generally upload videos on Sundays at 3 p.m. and on occasional off days. So this is just a part of a few set of videos I'm doing for the holiday series. So we're going to be making candied yams. So I'm going to be using 4 medium-sized sweet potatoes, and I'm going to go ahead and peel these sweet potatoes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off the ends. So I'm just going to use my knife to cut the ends of my sweet potatoes off, and we're going to discard them. Once we have all the potatoes peeled and the ends cleaned, we are going to slice the potatoes about 1/2 inch in thickness. So in my cast iron Dutch oven, I've already started melting 1½ sticks of salted butter. If you're going to be using unsalted butter, you need to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I added 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You can use light or dark brown sugar. And here I have 1/2 cup of organic coconut sugar. I'm just going to turn the heat off. And this organic coconut sugar I got from Nut Stop. So check the description box to learn more about Nut Stop. I have here 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I'm going to put my heat back on to medium. Also have here 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And also I have 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. I'm just going to give all that a stir, just so that can mix together. I also have some Mexican vanilla flavoring, vanilla extract. This is pure vanilla extract. This is alcohol free. And I got this from Bobba Grans. So to learn more about Bobba Grans, just check the description box. It is an awesome vanilla. I really love it. It's very fragrant, very pure, and absolutely love their products. Please check the description box and learn more about them. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. So I'm just going to turn off the heat. I'm going to pour my sweet potatoes over the mixture. I'm just going to give this mixture just a quick little toss. And then I'm going to cover this. And this is going to go in my preheated 375 degree oven. And I'm going to let this go for exactly 30 minutes. Now, if you're not using a Dutch oven, you can just use a traditional casserole dish and just cover it with foil. So it's been 35 minutes. It's been 35 minutes, and I'm just going to toss the sweet potatoes around in that beautiful glaze just to make sure that they are being nicely coated and absorb those beautiful flavors. So now I'm going to place the lid back on, and I'm going to bake this for another 25 minutes, and they should be done. They should be done, because I can tell that these are partway tender now. So back into the oven they go. So my candied yams are done. I'm just pulling the pot out of the oven. Just going to pull the lid off so we can see what they look like. They're absolutely gorgeous. Look at that beautiful syrup on these beautiful yams. So here goes my beautiful candied yams, and I served this with the pineapple steak and some greens. Please add this video to your playlist and hit the thumbs up. Just don't forget to share this video. So let's give it a taste. Beautiful, tender, Buttery, not too sweet. Mm-mm-mm. So good. Please don't forget to go and check the description box and check out all the different products I'm showing you, the vanilla. And don't forget to check out Nut Stop as well. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together and love each other. Thank you for watching.